Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G100, and I'll show you how to disable the ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and here go to the sound section. Right now we got here the ring and notification volume section. Just to turn off the notification volume, swipe with the finger this dot to the left side. So and also we got the second way. We just can here press on our log volume button on the right side of our phone, to the up or to the down, that doesn't matter, and just go here to the settings icon, and by the same way, by swapping this dot to the left, you can just also disable your ringtone volume and just tap it down. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.